Hello guys, in this video we are going to analyze Pepe Coin for upcoming week and let's see if we can buy for long term basis or not. Currently it is breaking below, and if it is breaking below then this can be our target. I will say that if Bitcoin cannot stay at this level, and of course I am not expecting it to stay up to this much, or if there is retracement up to 90 or 100k, then all other coins are going to receive a huge downside move. Keep in mind that because Bitcoin is the main driver in the whole market, and already there is very high prices in Bitcoin. So if I click Bitcoin, then my predictions are about 60k or 70k, but 109 or to 107 area is expected. Also in weekly time frame, evening star is formed. So currently in the crypto market, for long term holders, news is not good. So try to avoid buying entries or long term investments currently in the Bitcoin, because currently Bitcoin is almost at all time high, and most of the people are booking profits in Bitcoin. And of course if there is short move or downside move in Bitcoin, all other cryptos will face disaster. So currently in weekly time frame, of course candle is not closed, but we will wait in this triangle pattern. If this type of triangle pattern forms in bearish trend, so usually market breaks below, and if it forms in the bullish market, then market usually breaks upside. So if you see there is a bearish market previous, so there are chances that it will break below. And currently if you see, then after forming these two candles, daily time frame candle is closing below. So if it close below, then it means that it has some potential to go more down. But currently this is the major area, let it break, and well, it will break, then you will see this type of move. And if you form any bearish fair value gap here, then based on retest and evening or bearish engulfing, you can take sell entry up to here if there is futures allowed. If not, then you can ignore. And currently I do not suggest you to go for the long term basis. If you are doing scalping, then for scalping purposes you can do based on some good technicals. But for the long term, currently it's not a good time, because Bitcoin is not stable yet, and maybe a large downside move can happen in Bitcoin, and of course it will drive the whole market. So if you are not familiar with the fair value gaps, if you are not familiar with break of structure, candlestick patterns, then of course you should not do any crypto trading. First of all, learn these things, and must focus yourself on these all cryptos teachings and courses. After learning all these things, then you should start demo trading, and then you can start real. But this is the $1 trillion market, and it's not that much easy to stay stable or stay long term without stop losses and risk management, and also risk to reward ratios. So if you align your entries with the trends, and if you align your entries with the fair value gaps, of course it will give you very good profits for the long term.